Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
Hey, the Prime Minister! Don't tell me how this works. Yeah. Okay, okay, so the pattern took place in that place. Okay, so the pattern. So the entire Olympic way is going to be repaved and patched. You are the supervisor?
Yeah, everyone put put one hand in the air and say Jah. Rastafari. Okay, thank you very much. Healthy, wealthy. Thank you, Mama, for the 9 months you carried me through. All those pain and suffering. A healthy mama brings a healthy child. You know what I'm saying? So you know it's Akoma Village, Judgment Yard, that's Sizzler's territory. So we're doing something for the community and hope we can take care to other communities. So Akoma Village Health Fair. Healthcare. Health is the best wealth. Alright, so be there. December the 8th, you got the practitioners, you got the dentists, you know, you got doctors and all those persons who will be doing a lot of tests for senior citizens in the community and younger persons, middle age, just about anyone. Once you're a human being, you're going to be there and get yourself properly checked and be healthy. Akoma Village, December the 8th. Come out, be there. Augustown, Garden Town, the whole entire Kingston, the whole entire island, and the whole world. This is where we're starting, alright? Judgment Yard, Akoma Village, Augustown, Kingston, 7 Sizzlers Place. Be there.
Jah, no.
Yeah, man. I need to lose some pants, man.
Liverpool fans, you saw Mr. Bolton dealing with?
They're too far out of my league, man.
Jah no star. Big up man you, cause both side, fully.
You like it, man.
And big up Liverpool, cause my side.
Right.
You don't know. And big up Mr. You see me? Yeah man, I just say things said. NJ. Yeah man. Remember we are moonwalk on the girl them like MJ. What the sound of my nose? I'm out.
Yo, let me tell you this. Zaire Leng, Mr. Leng, we need to link up. Because I even not look no money for one this year. Me a pay fully bad $1 million for clash. Because fully bad now what $250,000. Me a pay $1 million. Me just flying from New York, me rich. You see me? That's a less than 10,000 US. You see me? Mr. Leng, link up. Fully bad you can't run. No man. Me not drag off a stage next time. Me a drag them bat. Watch them gap. Them have to hide in a hole like Serpy and make them chat to the...
Yes, people. Alright. So champion. Alongside the king of dance.
See it and now we do it again. One more time. Dubai me reach again.
One more time.
Me and brother stand up yourself.
One more time.
We don't come to create no crime, we just come to mash up the place.
Tonight.
One more time.
We'll get the ticket. One more time.
One man is good on the character. I tell you my girl about lines. What's your rap? Simple. Passion, where you there? Big up guidance and boys. Wake up. Hey, hey.
Shambalara. You know what? Shambalara.
What one? Hey, what one? Energy me name, not play no game. Dancing time, rise to my fear. The whole world I watch man never yet near. Energy, pull up.
What y'all say? What y'all say? Yes, sir, what y'all say? What y'all say? What y'all say? I'm your officer. What y'all say? What you gonna talk? What y'all come on the board? What you come on the board? Y'all know that squad. Y'all know that. You know what you said to me? I'm not going to see you. I talk about me one.
The nice little clean over.
So rain are coming. Rain are coming. Rain are coming. Popcorn, I fuck up on it. So rain are coming on. Loyal subscriber. A day with Natural Vibes TV home, you know. I'm gonna look and see. Sometimes we're rough, sometimes we're clean, sometimes we're smooth, sometimes we're rough. Popcorn there, you know. So you know the rain start fall, guys. I'm on the rain start fall, huh? You know, some wrong, some good thumb drive. Some good thumb drive, man. I see it there by them, you know. Burn them, you know. Since last year, I was saying. Anything, uncivilized. Let's be honest here. Guys, raining out far. See right? Raining out far. Raining out far, yo, fuck.